number 3 states that how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint? So how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint? So let's look at this problem here. How many cups are equivalent to a pint? So this is what we're working with here is the imperial system, which most of our friends in the United States work with. So this is the imperial system. So how many cups are equivalent to a pint? So if you remember our imperial system, our biggest imperial system here would be 1 gallon, right? We have 1 gallon here. 1 gallon would equal 4 quarts, right? 4 quarts. And then how much is 1 quart equivalent to? So 1 quart is also equivalent to 2 pints. Let me just quart 2. Yes, 1 quart equals 2 pints here, and then 1 pint equals 2 cups. And then that's basically all you kind of need to do, right? You could do 1 cup equals to fluid ounces, and this would equal 8 fluid ounces. Here, so 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. Okay, so you have this is our kind of conversion chart here. It's asking how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint, right? So 1 pint would have to be 2 cups, right? Like by definition, this here is our answer. 1 pint equals 2 cups. And basically, with the imperial system, what you have to do is you kind of have to just memorize these kind of conversions here. So 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, 1 quart equals 2 pints, 1 pint equals 2 cups, and 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces, right? And we have to be very, very comfortable when we're switching from gallons to quarts, or quarts to pints, pints to cups, or cups to fluid ounces, right? And then what we can do is we can actually jump, right? You can actually do cups to pints, quarts to fluid ounces, gallons to fluid ounces, and all that stuff, right? So it depends on what we're doing here. Again, you can think of this as we are multiplying as we go down and dividing as we go up. So let me write, as we go down the chart, we multiply. Let me just multiply. As we go up, we divide. That's kind of how we use the imperial system here. So again, 1 pint equals 2 cups is our answer. They got that same thing here. There are 2 cups to 1 pint, and then they did the exact same conversion like so. Okay, yeah, this is a good solution. Great solution, and step by step.